my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to still be in the insurance field, but it is not healthcare. Today, we are dealing with the company Aflac, and they are hiring a Aflac Payment Specialist. This is remote for the United States. We are going to dive all in. Just know if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. One thing to note about Aflac and their jobs is they generally don't leave their postings up very long, so if you're interested in this one, get that application in quickly. Now, they are paying anywhere from $31,200 a year all the way up to $68,000 a year for this position. It is a remote work from home position throughout the continental U.S. This one is going to require some customer service phone work as well. They're looking for someone to place and receive calls from field force representatives, employers, and customers to verify the accuracy of premium processing for those insurance products. You know, when you sign up for insurance, you have to pay a monthly premium. They want somebody to learn and be familiar with the Aflac group accounts as it relates to billing, plan codes, and premiums. So you're basically going to serve as a resource for resolving problems and issues related to billing, premiums, all kind of things like that that come up with the insurance payments. You'll reconcile group and individual disability and statutory payments. You'll review the disability and absence claims files. You'll match relevant details to the benefit plan for calculations, and you'll coordinate with disability case managers for select groups. You'll analyze and handle service requirements from various sources associated with complex accounts. You'll also send letters in addition to making calls to request additional account information when it is needed. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has 2 to 5 years of relevant work experience. Of course, you got to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems. They're looking for somebody who has excellent comprehension, writing, grammar skills, strong research skills, strong math skills, and great reasoning and problem-solving skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave down below anything specific that you're looking for. Also, if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful for you, leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.